If you're new to personal finance and you find everything overwhelming, reading this book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, has helped me tremendously. It shares a lot about humans' behavior when it comes to saving, investing, and spending our money. Even as a personal finance geek, it has changed my strategy. Today's video, I want to share with you a beginner's investing lesson that I learned and took away from this book. Let's dive straight into today's video. Let's go. There's this story that he shared about an American who was a janitor and also a gas station attendant called Ronald James Reed. Reed fixed cars at a gas station for 25 years of his life and swept floors at JCPenney for 17 years. He bought a 2-bedroom house for $12,000 at the age of 38 years old and lived there for the rest of his life. He was widowed at age 50 and never remarried. A friend recalled that his main hobby was chopping firewood. Then Reed died in 2014 at age 92, which is when the humble rural janitor made international headlines. Out of the 2 million over Americans that died in 2014, fewer than 4,000 of them had a net worth of over $8 million when they passed away, and Ronald Reed was one of them. In his will, the former janitor left $2 million to his stepkids and more than $6 million to his local library and hospital. Those who knew Reed were baffled. Where did he get all his money? It turned out that there was no secret, there was no lottery win, no inheritance. Reed saved what little he could and invested it into blue chip stocks. Then he waited for decades on end as tiny savings compounded into more than $8 million. That's it. From janitor to philanthropist. 2 lessons to learn from here: save as much as you can and simultaneously be consistent when it comes to your investment journey and let compounding work its magic. I often ask myself, how do we remove the emotions when it comes to investments? Can you stomach the market volatility? Can you also see the share price dropping due to external events? Look at the 2008 financial crisis when the stock market plunged, or a more recent event, the 2020 COVID crisis, and the same thing happened, the stock market crashed. How do we stay consistent amidst volatility? And my answer to that is with the regular savings plan feature that is offered on many low-cost brokerages these days. As compared to 10 years ago, it makes investing consistently that much easier for us. Set it up once and go on with your daily life. Focus on the more important things in life. Mumo Singapore is what I use to invest regularly on a day-to-day basis, and it brings me great joy to be able to partner with them and also share with you guys about their platform. Mumo Singapore is a licensed low-cost broker that has a regular savings plan feature that allows you to set up recurring buys into the stock of your choice in the US stock market, with commissions fee waived off and platform fees kept at 99 cents per order when you trade fractional shares, allowing you to start with spare cash from as low as USD $10. This is an example from Mumu Singapore's app. Select the stock of your choice and press the 3 dots on the bottom right of the screen and you will see RSP. RSP stands for regular savings plan. Indicate the amount, minimum USD $10, and then select the contribution frequency, be it whether is it weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, or even daily. Just press on confirm and that's all you have to do. Because I'm an affiliate partner, when you use my sign up link down in the description box below, you'll get an additional $20. When you deposit $100 and make one buy trade, you receive $2 daily for the next 10 days. In addition to that, your entire sign-up rewards is in fact up to $900, and this is how it works. I'm sure if you've followed along on the channel, I've been talking about Moomo's 6.8% per annum guaranteed returns for the first 31 days into any of these cash plus funds of your choice. As a new user, when you deposit maximum $60,000 or minimum anywhere above 1 cent, you will get a 6.8% per annum guaranteed returns offered to you. The fund gives you a daily return already. Mumu Singapore will top it up to make it 6.8% per annum guaranteed returns after the 31 days have ended. I have covered in this recent video talking about how that fits into my 2024 personal finance plan. I talked about the safety, security, what is there to consider before placing your funds into the Cash Plus funds. All of the buy trades that I'm about to mention includes subscribing into any of the Cash Plus funds. If you had deposited a total of $3,000, just hold it there for 30 days and make 3 subscriptions or buy a stock 3 times and you receive 1 stock bundle comprising of Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, C and NIO shares that is worth SGD $70. In the next year, just deposit a total of SGD $10,000, hold it there for 90 days and make 8 buy trades or subscriptions and you receive 3 stock bundle worth a total of SGD $210. In the last tier, just deposit a total of $100,000. No buy trades required. Hold it there for 90 days and you receive 1 Apple share that is worth $260 SGD. All rewards are cumulative in nature. If you had deposited the full SGD $60,000 to enjoy the 6.8% per annum guaranteed returns, just deposit another $40,000, make a total of 8 buy trades or subscriptions, and leave the required funds there for the number of days, and you receive a total of SGD $900 as a new user to Mumu Singapore. I've covered various videos on the channel. I have a Mumu playlist which you can refer to, how to use the platform, how to start your investment journey on it. I'll link it up above and down in the description box below. Once you've started your investment journey, I'm sure many of you will start wondering where's the balance when it comes to saving, investing, and also spending your money, of which I've released a recent video talking about this. You don't have to invest all of your money to see it grow. At the end of the day, investing is not 100% certain. You still have to make plans to buy a house, to fund your future kids' university fees, etc. How are you going to plan out all of this? Refer to this video up above and also down in the description box below. Some closing thoughts before I end today's video. Beginner's investing lesson that I learned from this book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Save as much as you can, invest consistently, and let compounding work its magic for you. More than investing, having an amount sitting in your bank's savings account that can tide you through market volatility and also let you go to bed at night, sleep comfortably, is just as important. I myself keep about $40,000 in cash in my savings account just because I'm self-employed, and it also allows me to tide through any situations, not having to draw down on my investments because I want to stay invested for a long period of time. And you can do the same for yourself. Nobody can tell you otherwise. This is also one of the lessons I've learned from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Another quote from his book, he said that good investing isn't necessarily about earning the highest returns, because the highest returns tend to be one-off hits that can't be repeated. It's about earning pretty good returns that you can stick with and which can be repeated for the longest period of time. That's when compounding runs wild. If you enjoy this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, pop into my Instagram DM and direct message me over there. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Read his book, it's really great, and I believe it will change the way you think about how you approach investing, saving, and also spending for enjoyment in life. If you are not an avid book reader, there's this podcast that he was on The Diary of a CEO with Stephen Bartlett. I'll put that interview down in the description box below. Spend 2 hours of your time watching that and I believe it will change your life. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a great week ahead. Bye-bye.